The next one what we need here is some image on the right side and some text on the left side. So that's what we are going to do now. So I'm going to copy the same text from here again and paste it here. Instead of center line, this time I'm going to go for left line, and it should go here. And let's make it the tagline can be something like easy and fast. And this one is book your next trip in 3 easy steps. There you go. And then we have the step information. So maybe we can add some text before we add the details. So I'm going to copy this text and then drag over here. This is too much, so I'm going to Alt Command C, Alt Command V, and then we have here the description text, and then we just add steps information, maybe something like that. So for that I'll make it like this and this. And for this step we don't need too much text, so here, and then we add a step heading, maybe choose destination, and let's make it bold, and as we have heading color, this one is nice, make it like this, and something like that. Okay, we got this one, and add some border radius. As you remember, we have the colors already. Group. This is our step 1. Then we have step 2. 25 would be good. Then we have step 3, and then we make payment, and then we have reach airport and on selected date. There you go. Okay, for the second one we can add this text. For the third one we can add something like this text. Look at that, this looks nice. Okay, now for this one we're going to make the color as this one, and for this one we don't have any extra color, so we're gonna pick one extra color from here. Maybe this color looks nice to me. Yeah, this is good, so we can call it accent 2. All right, this one, the box looks smaller to me, so I'm just make it 70 pixel, and then I'm just going to line it properly. Okay, there we go. I'm going to add some extra space over here. There we go. So this one looks very nice. Let's add some icons over here. For the icons, I'm using normally the icons from multiple libraries. This one is like there are some few free icons. Let me show you which one I'm going to use. The free icons, it's this one, Coco Icon Pack. There is one more library which is I think Iconical. This one is also free library, so we can find some nice icons over here. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so for travel and destination, make payment, and reach airport, so we're gonna need 3 icons. The first one is for destination, which icon I can find for destination. Maybe this one. No, let's find it here. Location. Okay, we got this one. So location, I'm going to copy this one over here, just this one, copy and delete. So make it a little bit bigger, white. Next one is payment, so we can search for payment. No. Okay, cash. No. Card, maybe. Something, people, something. Okay, I'm going to use this one for now. We can always find something better later. Yep, this looks good to me. I'm going to use this one for now, but again we can change it later. This is 38, so I'm going to make it 38 as well. Zoom it a bit. 38 and white. Remove this one, then we find some plain maybe. Come on, give me something. Oh boy. Maybe this one is not really, something that I was thinking of. But for now, let's maybe, use this one as an alternative. And again, we can always change the icon later. This is just for the demonstration purpose. So here we go. We have the icons on the right side and everything is good. So I'm going to make it a group and a group, and this is text. Now for this one, we're going to need some image over here. So let's try to make an image. Instead of doing all the image and putting everything here, I'm just copy and pasting the image, that the one that I have already made. This is pretty simple. I guess you already know how to make it, make the image something like that. So I'm not the video length will be pretty long, so that's why I'm gonna avoid to make the image over here. I guess you understand this. And then the next thing that we are going to do here is we need to add some depth for this image. So let's add some depth here. Move it to the background behind this image, and then I'm going to pick a color from here and then make it a little bit lighter, and then I'm going to add layer blur and increase the size of the blur like way higher, and then move it, find a suitable place. So now you can see this little extra step added like lot of uniqueness and made it look a lot better. So these kind of treatments, adding details to the design, make your design look really nice and better. So always pay attention to this ornamental stuff, although this looks a little bit too much, so we can decrease the opacity. Okay people, so we are almost there. Let's make it a group, call it image, and call it section content, contents.